This store has generated 7,700 euros or 6.4k Great British pounds last Sunday, March 23. And I only did spend 2k in ad spend, which gives me a ROAS of 3.5 plus. And this is a secret platform that I use and you are probably ignoring. So in this video, I will show you exactly 3 stores that are using this platform as well and utilizing the power of this platform to make money online with their dropshipping stores. And I can tell you after this video, you want to step into this platform as quick as possible because you're leaving money on the table. Even in today, if we see today, during this video, I made already 3.1k with just this platform. And I can tell you, it's not Facebook ads and it's not TikTok ads. It's no Snapchat. It's not Pinterest. It's a very simple platform where people go to when they want to buy your product. So let's start with store number 1 that I want to show you guys that is in the UK market, is selling amazing fashion items. A lot of people do fashion dropshipping, mostly on Facebook. But what if I told you the exact same store works on Google Ads? That's the platform that I'm talking about because that's exactly what they are using. They're only using Google Ads for their dropshipping store. And if I go to the similar app, which is normally a little bit behind, you can see these guys are scaling and these guys are printing. I can already see these are Dutch guys. I'm a Dutch guy as well. So if you're watching this video and it's your store, you're doing an amazing job. Keep going because this is amazing. You will be printing with this store. What I really, really like about this store is the branded feel. You literally see that they took a lot of effort in making the backgrounds look very congruent. So it really feels that we're stepping into a real brand. They even did some nice Photoshops here with Ideogram. That's an AI tool. And it's really looking very, very nice. So I can already feel that I would love to buy here something as well. So let's go to the bestseller compared with PP Spike. This is just the puffer jacket. I guess they just came out of winter. In the UK, it's still pretty cold. It's still pretty cold compared with the Netherlands. So of course, people are still buying a lot of these kind of jackets. And if you want to sell these kind of jackets and you don't know what to sell, you can just go to Google Trends and you type this in and you will see if people are searching for it. But I can already, when you just use your brains, you can already see that people will buy jackets when it's cold, especially in the UK. Beautiful, beautiful store and so simple. This is normally what people would do on Facebook as well. They even used the app called Botica.ai, which is a nice app which gives you AI models with this one. I showed this store before and they did not have an AI model in yet here, but maybe now they watched my video and they put it in. It's really nice. I really love it. Color swatches, black add to cart, free shipping to Portugal. Right now I'm in Portugal, so people see this. I think this is a really, really good store. So if you guys would love to print with Google Ads and fashion, you should be checking this store out because this is a perfect example. So let me move to a second store, and that's in the home decor niche. I'm selling in the home decor and the general niche a little bit. I did fashion as well. And I really, really love this kind of style of store because it's pretty simple. And the good thing about this one, it just started running, I believe. It's just, oh, I reached my weekly limit, but I just saw that it was just printing just before I was making this video. And I saw that they're just starting to scale. And the good thing about this store is that they have a really good high AOV because the prices are all above 90, 100, 200. They have a really good AOV, and which is really, really powerful with Google because people are having buying intent already. So you can sell higher ticket items, which gives you a good margin to spend back on your ads. So this is always like one of my favorite niches to start selling in, next to fashion, because fashion is easy to start with, but then maybe the returns will be handled a little bit. That will be tougher. But with the home decor niche, the quotation and getting these products shipped will be harder because your supplier needs to find different routes because these one are pretty heavy as well. So the margin will slink if you're not using the best compared prices. Okay, so you need to watch out with your prices when you do this, and you need to quote your products before. But let's go to their bestseller. I think it's this one. Yeah, I can already see why this is a really good seller because, for example, these images work perfectly with Google Ads. This is what Google Ads will show you, and people can literally see how the lamp would look like in their living room, in their bedroom. This is perfect in the hallway. This is beautiful. They also do a very smart bundle app. I don't really like this bundle app because it gives me a little bit headache what this is doing here already, because now if I add everything to cart, it's 255. But I think people will buy nice bundles in here. People have even, I don't know why this is, oh, this is beautiful. They have done this very, very smart. I think this is just from TikTok. Really, really nice. They're just wireless. This is insane. I love this product. So here you see a very long description. I think this is already a little bit too long, but this is really, really nice. Some fake reviews, which is really, really nice. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. So if you guys want to sell something in the home decor niche, especially in the lamps, this is how your store should be looking like. Of course, like a nice villa in here with like all the nice lights. I think this is really, really smart to do. So this is the perfect store to watch when you want to do a home decor store. Let's go to the last one. And this one is really, really printing. I think I've showed this sometimes as well, but I just want to show you guys how powerful this store is. Of course, again, a Dutch guy. The Dutch guys are killing it in the dropshipping niche, in the dropshipping space. But this guy really took it to the next level. Like Middelmode is doing an amazing job with the images and the branded field. So guys, if you watch this video in the stores as yours, you're doing an amazing job. This is insane. And I guess I cannot open it again. But yeah, these guys are doing 200, 300K a month with just only this store, which is insane. But the images, man, I really, really like these images. This is also with Boutica AI. So the model has been in here. Let me see what this bestseller is here. Oh, the funny thing is the bestseller is a lamp, but then the second is a winter jacket. So let's see the lamp. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. What we can learn from this store as well is using the right colors. This is like everything is black. The red one for urgency. Here is like some special discount going on. The beige sand color for the USP icons. A nice product description. And here you see you don't need to have a crazy product description. Just some drop downs with all the frequent asked questions. And this is really, really looking nice. Look how beautiful this store is looking. Even recommended products. So now people see even recommended products in the same niche, which is nice, in the same collection. But what I really do love about this store is the navigation menu. Google Ads customers really love to shop on your store. So maybe if you want to buy this black jacket, for example, sorry, black t-shirt, you want to go on Google, you see a store with nice jackets and t-shirts, and you just want to hover around and just see what else this store is selling as well. So a navigation is really, really important with Google Ads. So Google knows what your store is about, but also your customers, they can shop around. And what I really like is that they have their bestsellers in the collection. So this team is amazing. I don't know what team they're using. This is a custom made one, but this is so nice that if you go to the ladies niche, you already see the two bestsellers of them as well. And the images are so, so nice. I can see that it is done maybe with something. I don't know what kind of, because now this quality is insane, but that's with Boutica AI. I guess maybe it's just an AI tool, I guess. Um, because this looks like a different lady a little bit, but man, really, really nice done again. And then of course, when they click on this, there will be recommended these kind of jackets and sweaters, because this is for the cold weather, which works really, really well. And this is exactly how you can crush it with Google Ads, with your store. And these stores normally would print on Facebook and TikTok ads as well, but then you need to do creative testing. You will have ad account bans, all this crazy stuff happening. With Google, it's pretty simple. And I will show you how powerful this is as well. This is the Freedom Achievers community, my community where I teach people how to make 1K a day in 90 days with Google Ads dropshipping. And you don't need to have any experience, Facebook or TikTok ads. If you want to join, first link in the description. But I will show you exactly how easy it is, because now what we have seen, for example, yesterday, not even 20 hours ago, Rasfan even put on here a 7K day with a 5% conversion rate, which is, it's insane. Look at this. This guy is printing. He's printing with this exact same strategy in the UK. And people are doing a nice journal to the first 1K. As you guys can see, a lot of people are journaling right now, the 1K sessions. I think this is already number 5, because people are really, really crushing it, and they're getting to the first 1K day pretty soon. For me, even on my own store, you guys saw it on the 7.7K in revenue with only 2K in ad spend. And here you see the proof. It's the exact same day as that we had here, the 23. Here you guys can see 6.4K with a net spend of 2K in Google Ads, which is really, really insane. So now we're even close to the 65K in the last 90 days. But if I refresh this now, last 90 days, you guys will see we already crushed 118K. Look how quickly we're scaling right now. And this is so stable. This is so consistent. Every day, the money printer is on with this store. So if you guys want to have consistent results and you want to skip the Facebook ads and TikTok ads hustle and go and print on Google, first link in the description to join Freedom Achievers community. And if you're curious how I make 100K per month by selling ugly shoes, you should be checking out this video because that's exactly what I explained there. I see you in the next one.